How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to hide Instagram highlights without deleting them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in a profile section, simply tap on the highlights that you want to hide. Now, once inside the highlight, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled as Remove from Highlight. And Instagram will ask for confirmation, just tap Remove and that's it. Now your highlight is hidden from your profile picture. And now if you tap on menu and from there simply go to the top right and go to the archive. Here you will still find your hidden highlights stored safely in your story archive. And that's it. That's how you can hide your Instagram highlights without deleting them. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.